Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another travel vlog and we're going off to Paris. Today is just a super relaxing day walking around the city since we just flew in this morning. Make sure you head over to the Galeries Lafayette rooftop for stunning panoramic views of Paris. This vlog is going up a bit late, but we did go during the November-December month, so everything was decorated for the holidays and was so magical. I highly recommend anyone who is planning to visit Paris to come during the holiday months as well if you can, because it just has a different vibe to it.
Nice meal. It's fantastic. No, it's two.
Day 2, we're at Disneyland Paris. Visiting all of the Disney resorts is actually on my bucket list, so I'm happy to check this one off. Also, a little pro tip, make sure you book your tickets online on expedia.co.uk website for discounted tickets. We were able to get our 2 park hopper tickets for about 150 USD versus almost 180 on the actual Disney website, so make sure to do your research before booking your tickets.
Okay, Dad, let's rip it, roll and punch it! Are you ready, Dad? Let's hit the AC!
We started our day off at the Walt Disney Studio Parks because that Nemo ride actually has a really long wait, so we went to do that first. And now we're hopping on over to the Disneyland park, but throughout the day we do hop back and forth, so it's really nice to have a park hopper type of pass. Christmas at Disney. There's like the little 30th thing there. Oh no, that's a Disney ears. Little Disney ears. We literally went on all the rides we wanted to, and this Hyperspace Mountain I think is like 100% must ride. Like if you're going to Disneyland Paris, you have to go on this. It's not like the Space Mountain ride in the US, and it was so different and so fun.
Vous cherchez un mousse, sans doute. Oh non.
Everybody, we're making a short scheduled stop here in the canyon. Please remain seated and keep your hands and arms inside the tram. Thanks. That was incredible.
We had such a blast at Disney, and now we're on to day 3, our last full day in Paris. We're starting off exploring the beautiful Louvre Museum to see the famous Mona Lisa and doing a lot of namjuning. Marie Antoinette Cafe. Christmas one. Fir tree. Just walking the streets of Paris. He was holding a full baguette. We did lots and lots and lots of walking today, and finally we're seeing Paris's Eiffel Tower. We also saw there was a Statue of Liberty in Paris, so we wanted to go check it out. Fun fact, I live in New York and have never visited the Statue of Liberty before. And no trip to Paris is complete without seeing its sparkly lights. So sparkly. Also, you must see the Arc de Triomphe at night when it's all lit up. It's so beautiful. And that's a wrap on this short and sweet Paris trip. If you enjoyed this vlog, please hit the like button and subscribe for more travel vlogs. My Spain vlog will be up in 2 weeks, so make sure you turn on the notification bell to be first to watch it. See you all in the next video. Bye!